Stanley Rogers French Oven Grill Duo, the versatile cooking companion for endless possibilities. Its striking design and colours create a statement in any kitchen. It can be used as a roaster, slow cooker, grill pan, saucepan, stock pot and French oven. On induction, gas or electric cooktops or in the oven, it thrives in temperatures of up to 250 degrees Celsius. Durable enamel-coated cast iron with black enamel interior does not stain and requires no seasoning. Winner of 2 Global Design and Innovation Awards, it is manufactured with precision and endorsed with a 50-year guarantee. Its innovative magnetic trivet allows you to move it from stove to bench to table in one easy motion. The dual-function lid with raised crosses optimises self-basting while roasting and creates a perfect sear when grilling. And when it comes to storing, it nests tightly to optimise space. We created one perfect pot so you could create endless dishes.